Hi everyone, it's July and we thought you might like to see how our garden's doing. This is our orange plant. We keep it inside for the winter, but we bring it out for the spring and summer and fall when temperatures are warmer. This is our lemon plant. It's set some fruit as well, and it's really enjoying being outside for the summer. Our peach tree still has peaches on it. These mesh bags are doing a really good job of keeping the squirrels from eating our peaches. They're still really firm. They haven't ripened yet. Some of them are starting to turn pink and red in certain spots. So I think we're getting pretty close. Hopefully we're going to be able to pick some peaches soon. So this is our garden, our main garden. It's pretty overgrown. We're at the point where the heat is just so intense here. We've had a lot of 90-degree days that our peas are pretty much done for the season, and this is normal. They always fizzle out by July. We were able to pick our first zucchini this week. It looks really great. Didn't get too big, which is always a nice thing. We are starting to see some more blossoms and a few small strawberries set on our strawberry plants. We have ever-bearing plants, so we tend to get strawberries throughout the summer. These are our tomatoes. I'm not loving some of the yellow spots and branches, so we'll have to see what happens there. We're starting to get some peppers, just some basic green peppers. Our eggplant, we've got some small fruit set on those. They're not quite big enough yet, but I'm glad to see that some fruit has set. It's always a good sign. We're getting lots of cucumbers. I kind of lost track of these. They're a little big, but we're getting a number of those. They're growing up a trellis. Pulled a couple carrots. They're still really small. I think we're just getting baby carrots this summer. As far as our beets, they're looking pretty good. You know, sometimes I pull one and it's really big. Other times I pull one and it's super scrawny. It's kind of a guessing game. These ones were a pretty good size, so that's nice. Got some nice flowers. Our hydrangeas are blooming. Our grapes, they're starting to ripen. They're not quite there yet, but same thing. We're protecting them from spotted lanternflies and birds with the mesh bags. Here's just a little shot of what we picked. Some different types of squash, some peppers, lots of cucumbers. You can see those peas. They're kind of at the end of their life, but they'll be able to be shelled and eaten. Our carrots are the strangest looking carrots you've ever seen, but I think that's just the way it is when you grow your own carrots. I'm sure they're going to taste good. Here's our beets. Like I mentioned, some are beautiful and nice size, and others are pretty scrawny. So our garden's off to a great start. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your summer.